Hello, mini Knowbies. Today, we're going to learn something super fun. The days of the week. Let's say them together. Are you ready? Let's go. There are 7 days in a week. Let's learn them one by one. Sunday. It's a fun day. Time to rest, play, and spend time with family. Say it with me. Sunday. Next is Monday. It's the start of the week. Back to school, back to fun learning. Say it loud. Monday. Then comes Tuesday, a great day to draw and learn more. Let's say it. Tuesday day. Here is Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. Woohoo! Let's keep going. Say it with me. Wednesday. Now it's Thursday. Let's sing a song and keep smiling. Can you say it? Thursday day. Yay! It's Friday. The weekend is almost here. Let's finish the week strong. Say it. Friday. And now it's Saturday. A day for fun, games, and cartoons. Say it with a smile. Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too, Wednesday, Thursday just for you. Friday, Saturday, hip hooray. Now you know the days of the day. Great job, friends. Let's say them one more time together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You're amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun with Mini Knowbies. See you next time. Bye bye.